iteration or a sprint if you are following Scrum terminology. So what is it? It is just a defined time box in which we want to do a product exploration. Time box means a calendar day's time, fix starting and fix ending. It could be 1 week to 4 weeks, but in general, for an example, I can use 2 weeks because that's a very commonly used. So when I say 2 weeks iteration, it means within 2 weeks, we do whatever we can as per our capability and priorities. And at the end of it, we evaluate our work and take a feedback, and then we plan our next 2 weeks. So this is called iteration. In a Scrum way of working, they call it sprint. They have some rules that sprint cannot be more than 30 calendar days. In an iteration, sometimes you can go beyond 30 calendar days also, but it is very rare. So when we are focusing for our PMP exam, we understand in Agile way of working, we are focusing on time-boxed way of working. Now, especially if you are coming from a predictive life cycle, you need to keep in mind, in a predictive life cycle, we focus on scope and then we think how long it will take to finish it. In the time-boxed way of working, we fix up a time box like an iteration, and then we have a work item. And our focus in an iteration planning meeting is, let's figure it out how much work can be done in this time box. Yeah. So we bring work to the time rather than we calculate time for the work, which we do in our predictive life cycle. So this is how we can understand iteration or a sprint for PMP exam.